Meaning of gastronomic.
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 Gastronomic. The word gastronomic pertains to the art and science of good eating and drinking. It encompasses everything related to food and culinary traditions, including cooking techniques, ingredients, preparation methods, and presentation. Gastronomy also involves the appreciation of food as a cultural experience, one that connects people across geographical borders and social classes. Gastronomic experiences can range from simple home-cooked meals to elaborate haute cuisine served at Michelin-starred restaurants. Ultimately, gastronomy celebrates the pleasures of the senses and the conviviality of sharing food with others, making it an essential part of human culture.